Great. I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting with Neatbar. Neatbar is actually built for Zoom, so you'll be able to see some of the features using Zoom. So the first thing you're going to do is schedule a meeting. Oh, that's an item. When you schedule a meeting, you're going to do a few things a little different. The first thing, I'm going to change it to 12:30 for the sake of this demonstration. You will set them up for class times. You also only need to set up the Neatbars for classes that will have kids in person and at home. So I'm just going to call this Neatbar practice in Yukon. I'm then going to add a Zoom room. The first time you do this, it'll just ask you to log in again, but then afterwards you will have it all the time. Then, in order to connect it with the Neatbar in the classroom you're using, you will go to Scheduling Assistant and then add a room. Once you are in a room, you are going to type in our classroom codes. They all start with the same thing, which is HFMS. So you can see these are the rooms with Neatbars up and running. I'm going to start by clicking on room 301 because I'm in Yukon, so that's the room I want to use. Hit OK. Then you're going to send the meeting. For these, you need to make sure Neatbar meetings do not overlap. So if your class is from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, the next Neatbar has to start at 1 or 2:01. There cannot be overlap. Once you send that, it should pop up in your Outlook like mine already did. And you should also get an email confirming. It will confirm it automatically. The one thing, it will decline it if it overlaps with another Neatbar practice. So you can see right near here, my Neatbar has been accepted, which means I'll be able to launch in the classroom.